my friend, the young man, he calls himself young, though he's now old, William Samoei Ruto, that even if he visited, William Samoei Ruto, even if he visited Western Kenya 20 times per week, he's not going to get any vote from Western Kenya. And Western Kenya is for Azimio, and we are going to have rallies in each and every county. And that is the time he will realize that those who might be cheating him, that they will make him get some votes in Western Province, are just after something else, but they are not assisting him. I said 2014, and I repeat, because I've heard him talking, oh, now yule mzee sijui wa nini amebadilisha, anasema ya kwamba deep state itaninyang'anya votes. I'm not in the government. He is our deputy president. He is the deep state. And this is the exercise he knows better than any other person. I said he will not and he shall not be declared as a president on 9th of August this year, simply because he will not win. It will not be through any machinations or anything, but he will not win elections. He's not going to be our president this year.